Hello everyone. So today we're going to be making straw airplanes. So the first thing I want you to do is to cut 2 strips of paper hot dog length across, okay? Then you're going to fold one of your strips in half to make sure it's even and cut that. Once you have your half strip and your full strip, you can place your other paper to the side because we won't need it. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to decorate your strips. So these can look however you want because it's going to be your plane. Make it unique and personal. I decided to do the ocean and waves and fish because I love the ocean. The next step you're going to do is you're going to bring your long strip together. You're going to bring the ends together and you're going to tape it. Make sure they overlap just a bit. Then you're going to do the same with the small strip of paper, making sure the ends overlap just a bit. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your straws, and if your straws are bendy, you're going to cut them off right at the bend. If they're not, then you don't have to worry about cutting. Then you're going to take 2 straws and tape them to the inside of your big circle. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to tape the 2 straws to the outside of the small circle. Then you're going to repeat those steps with the last 2 straws, so taping them to the inside of the big circle and the outside of the little circle. You might have to readjust your tape and straws just a little bit because you want to try to get as close to keeping the circle shape as possible, okay? And that's it. Your straw's done. Happy flying!